Hello students, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notifications on further video lessons. Today let us learn light, shadows and reflections. Before starting this chapter, tell me one thing students, can you see anything without light? No, right? Without light we can't see anything. So, light is very important to see the objects around us. Thus, it is necessary for us to understand what light is. Light is a type of energy that makes it possible for us to see the things around us. So, we need light to see. Now we understood that we need light to see. But where does the light comes from? Light comes from two sources. Number one is natural light source and number two is artificial or man-made sources. Examples of natural sources: sun, stars, fires, etc. And examples of artificial sources are torch, bulbs, candles, etc. What are luminous objects? Any objects which emits light by themselves are called as luminous objects. Examples: sun, light bulbs, candles, stars, etc. What are non-luminous objects? The objects that do not emit light by themselves are known as non-luminous objects. Example: earth, moon, wood, and a piece of cloth, etc. Difference between luminous objects and non-luminous objects. Luminous objects emit light by themselves, but non-luminous objects don't emit light by themselves. Luminous objects are visible because they emit their own light, whereas non-luminous objects are visible because of the luminous objects. Example: we can see objects like chocolates, chair, because the light from luminous objects like sun falls on those and then travel towards our eyes. So we can see the non-luminous objects because of luminous objects. Now we learn some important terms like transparent, translucent and opaque objects. Number 1, transparent. What are transparent objects? Transparent object allows all of the light to pass through them. This means we can clearly see through them. Example: reading glass, pure water, air, etc. Translucent objects. Translucent objects allow only little light to pass through them. This means that we can partially see through them. Example: sunglasses, notebook paper, butter paper, thin sheet of plastic. Opaque objects. These objects do not allow any light to pass through them. That means we cannot see through them at all. Example: wall, wooden door, metal. From this picture, we can clearly understand what transparent, translucent and opaque objects are. It is an opaque window because it's not at all allowing any light to pass through it. As a result, we are not able to see the giraffe from the first window. The second window is a translucent object because it's allowing only little light to pass through it. As a result, we are seeing the blur image of the giraffe. The third window is transparent object because it's allowing all the light to pass through it, and as a result we can see the clear picture of the giraffe from the third window. Till now we understood what light is and what is the source of light, luminous and non-luminous objects, and difference between luminous and non-luminous objects, and the very important three terms, that is transparent objects, translucent objects, and opaque objects. Time for activity. First, collect 5 things. Then look at something through each of the collected objects. And then draw a table and record your observations as shown in the table. Then, after completing this table, show this table to your parents to check, or else you can take a photo of the table and share to my Instagram account. The link is in the description box. Hope you understood this chapter. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. Shadows and reflection will be discussed in the next video. If you like my video, give a thumbs up and share the video to your friends. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.